me wanna flip the top. I'ma come make you hit the spot. Every little drip and drop, fist and pop. So don't do that, it's getting hot. Just how something, man, is dripping out. It's done. I need a second round and pour a lot. And don't you stop till my soda pop fizzles out.
So I could probably pair her with my Lux Cow.